close till I get up.
Welcome back to the Sweet Fam, guys. So I am still exploring our new tower air fryer. So today I am going to try out some chicken wings. So what I did was just to put some paprika on my chicken wings, some garlic granites, and some chicken seasoning. Okay, so this is what I put on my chicken wings. So I'm just gonna explore with the tower air fryer now to see how these wings gonna come out, guys. To put it in. Okay, so I'm going to put that settings on chicken. Okay, so that says 25 minutes and I'm going to start it. So halfway through that process I'm going to turn it around, guys, to cook evenly. So I'll catch you when I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to stop and turn these wings over so they can cook evenly. So let me just pause that and take it out. Oh wow, guys, it's looking lovely. So I'm just gonna turn these over. I'm gonna turn these over. And remember not to use any metal in this air fryer, as you don't want to take off the non-stick thing that's on it. But yes, guys, it's looking lovely. So I'm just gonna put it back now. Now I switch it over, and then I'm just gonna start it back. Okay, guys, so we've got like 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining to see if our chicken is coming out delicious, to see how this air fryer does our wings. Okay, so it shuts off automatically. Okay, so now I'm going to open it to see how it is, guys. Look at that. That is looking so delicious. Look at that, guys. That is looking so delicious. No oil whatsoever. It is definitely worth getting, guys. No oil. It's way more healthier than using a deep fryer, and it's quicker than using your oven, as you don't have to wait for your oven to heat up. You just put it in straight away and it starts. Yes, guys. So what I'm going to do, I've got some barbecue sauce. I'm going to put it on this chicken, and then I'm going to serve it. So when I put the barbecue sauce, I'm going to show it to you guys. But definitely it's a good look. It's worth buying, guys. So if you're considering to get one of these air fryer, it's definitely a recommendation. Yes, I would recommend this, guys, definitely. So I'm gonna put this barbecue sauce on, and then I'll show it to you guys. Here we got it, guys. We've got our barbecue sauce added to our chicken from the fryer, the air fryer. and that is looking absolutely delicious, guys. So definitely I would really recommend this air fryer. Very, very convenient, a healthier way, and also a quicker way to prepare your meals, guys. As I explore, I will share other stuff that I use in this air fryer, and if you haven't watched the unboxing, I have also done a video unboxing this air fryer, which I done some chicken nuggets as well as some fries, guys. So thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Please subscribe to our channel and support. Leave a comment, guys, so I know what else you want us to try or what you think of this video. Thank you. Bye bye.